Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be a weekly budget with me. We are in my budget planner. I have gotten a lot of questions about my cover. This cover is a tool notebook cover that I did get from Amazon. So if you're interested in this cover, make sure you check out the description box below. But I just use it as a leather cover for my budget planner. This is a budget planner that I created in order to help me stay on top of my money. So I already did the January overview and the February monthly setup. So if you didn't see those two videos, I will link them above. But today we are going to do my weekly budget for the, well, I'm guessing it's the first week in February. I have to switch some things around and make sure everything gets covered because we actually did not get paid last week. If you don't know, me and my husband are on variable income, so sometimes we can, sometimes we do get paid on time, sometimes we do not, and have to adjust some certain things to make sure we have what we need covered, and also sometimes the amount varies differently, so we just have to kind of work with the numbers. So I did pre-plan out this week. I've been using this notebook. It's basically a mini happy planner cover, and I just added some notes pages in here. I'm probably going to do a flip through of this notebook to kind of show you how I set it up, but I am doing I did do a pre-plan in here, so I'm going to be referencing that. And I also have my calculator. This is also from Amazon. If you want to see this calculator or you're interested in it, I will have it linked in the description box also. So this is the week of February 4th. I always get paid on a Tuesday, so our budget goes from Tuesday to Tuesday. So I'm going to write down everything that's going on this week. The first thing that I like to do is add the date at the very top. And because we did not get paid last week, we are expecting more this week. So we're expecting to get 2 checks and some additional money from Etsy coming in. So I'm just gonna write down the estimated amount of what I think is coming. So the good thing about, you know, having to wait to get paid is you do end up getting more than what you would normally get in 1 week. So this is like 2 or 3 weeks worth of income. However, I do have to make sure the essentials are covered because, like I said, you know, since our checks vary from week to week, we always make sure that we have our mortgage, our car note, the essentials taken care of. The first thing that I'm going to cover is our tithe. And then we always do an offering to our church. So that's going to be the next line. Then I'm going to do our mortgage. I used to break it down into several weeks, like 2 or 3 weeks, but I have decided to just make sure I cover it as soon as I can, just to make sure we aren't late. And then I'm going to do our health insurance. We are currently paying off our car note, so I try and do $700 to $1,000 on the car every single month. So for this week, I have our tithe of $475, offering $118.75. The mortgage is $1,300. We have health insurance coming out, our car note, student loan payments. I have a dentist bill that I am paying off until April, then it will be done. Oshner, this is a medical bill that I need to take care of. The pool, we have maintenance on our pool and we pay $65 a month to ensure the maintenance stay up. and I am paying off our last credit card. I can't wait until we get that down. Savings $250, food budget of $100, and a restaurant budget of $100. And this should total $4,750. I'm going to add this up. So my total is actually a little off. I got 4749.42, which is 58 cents off. So I'm just going to adjust my savings total and make it $250.58. And that's just because I like to have a zero-based budget, and so now the entire thing equals what the income is. And I'm not sure if you guys know, but me and my husband, we both have like 4 streams of income each. I know I usually get questions about what do we do. He's in marketing. We both do ministry. I also have an Etsy shop. I do YouTube. So we have a nice number of things going on between us. He is also a trainer. He works at CrossFit. So we have a bunch of things going on, which is how we make our money. But like I said, it's also it's a bunch of different streams, and it's all variable. Neither one of us are a W-2 employee, so we always have to manage our money very wisely to make sure that we stay on track. So that's our weekly budget. I don't have sinking funds in here for this week because I am planning on taking my car to the shop. It's actually going today. We're going to see how much it is. I might end up having to take out of my sinking funds instead of putting in. So we're gonna see how that goes, and I will keep you posted on next week's budget. So basically, as I pay things, I'm just gonna write them down in the actuals as I pay them, and then if I have any notes or anything else that I need to write, it will go in this section here. And that is it for this budget. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will probably take out some money out of my cash envelopes. If I do take out cash envelopes, it will be for $200. It will be the food budget and the restaurant budget, and that will be probably it. I don't think we will need gas this week because I have just filled up my tank, and I don't plan on doing much traveling throughout the course of the week other than to work. So we'll see how it goes. But if I need to adjust, then I will adjust as the week goes on. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me just show you what it looks like in my budget planner. If you want a budget planner, make sure that you check the links in the description box. I do have the download to this planner to where you can download it, print it out, and put it in whatever you want. Or if you want to get the actual budget planner, then there is a link to that also, to where I will put it together, put it in the disbounce system, and ship it to you. I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.